is a very specific part of your digestive system in the bottom half of your large intestine, which is called the fat loss switch. And when you turn it on, you can increase fat burn throughout your entire body. For most people, this switch is off, and when this switch is off, it can nearly impossible to lose weight. Even if you diet and exercise, if you have been overweight or obese for more than a year, it is due to the switch which is off in your body and is a major contribution factor to your weight. Now I know this might sound crazy, and the truth is, just a few years ago, doctors, fitness experts and authors of trendy diet books thought something like this would be impossible. Activating this fat loss switch helps increase fat burn by decreasing the amount of fat your body stores from food you eat. So more calories get flushed out of your body rather than getting stuck at stubborn fat. This secret part of your digestive system is possibly the most important fat loss center in your entire body. If you have tried to lose weight before and failed, or you saw slow or no result, or just felt hungry and exhausted all the time, it's not your fault. You were just never told about the important role that your lower intestine plays when it comes to fat loss. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. Over the last few decades, Flora Spring have helped hundreds of men and women with their fat loss goals, and some of them have lost up to 50, even 100 pounds without drugs or surgery. Here's why your large intestine is the most powerful fat loss switch in your body. Your gut is the most powerful fat loss switch in your body. Now, as you may have heard before, your gut is filled with tons of tiny microbes. These microbes allow you to digest and absorb the food you eat. They are very critical to your health. Every piece of food you eat, every salad, every piece of fruit and every cheeseburger all interact with these microbes first. There are many types of microbes. Some are good and some are bad. These are the microbes which help you in burning fat or keeping you fat, even if you diet or exercise. These good fat burning microbes have three main powerful benefits. Benefit number 1: reduce calorie absorption, so your body stores less. These good microbes reduce the amount of calories that your body absorbs from food. Benefit number 2: shut down cravings, so you eat less without even thinking about it. So this leads to natural and faster fat loss. Benefit number 3: increase metabolism, mood and energy, so you are naturally more active all the day. These good fat melting microbes reduce inflammation in your body. Studies prove these fat burning microbes can lead to powerful fat loss. And all of these thousands of different types of microbes, there are 5 specific ones that scientists have studied the most and that have the biggest impact on the fat loss, which we called the fat burning super strains. There is only one way to get these 5 super strains in high amount, enough dose to make a real impact on your body, which is the Flora Spring, and it is the best and recommended way to do it. Now you are probably wondering, how do I get Flora Spring? How much does it cost? And here are some reasons why it's safe and we recommend it to nearly all the patients. These strains are naturally occurring in nature. These strains have been consumed by people for thousands of years. The capsules are manufacturing right here in the United States, and here we are attaching the certificate of analysis which proves all ingredients are safe and reliable. Now we are providing 29% off instantly because we know there is some shortage of butter nowadays, and we are having a special deal for you, which is the best discount for you. This means you won't have to pay the full $69.95. Today you are going to get Flora Spring for just $49.95. And for that we have attached that link in the description, which you can check and get the Flora Spring in discounted price. And we have a guarantee to work, or you will get a full refund, even the shipping cost you have paid, even a single penny. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video.